Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the standard tow truck in Nigeria. It costs 750,000 naira and it has done 5 million kilometers. It's still in good shape, although the engine has been changed 7 times according to the owner, but it's still good and up running. Check it out. Okay, this one they use lock battery.
Yeah, this way we lock the battery.
Good.
So for safety.
Okay. Okay. Ah. All right. Okay. Aha, look, I see this seat. Okay. Good. Okay, this one na horn, ba?
Na horn. Na wire for wow. With this.
A desert gear be this?
This auxiliary has an auxiliary.
Okay.
This is the auxiliary gear.
Okay.
Wow. This is the major.
How many speed be this?
This 5 speed.
Okay, 5 speed.
Na 5 speed.
Wow.
5 speed.
Okay. 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 Good. Okay.
This Pathfinder, no, na Pathfinder Jeep this.
Okay, so this is a Pathfinder Jeep
Sure, man.
that was turned into. Wow. It was manufactured. Okay. See welding.
I'm a converter.
Pathfinder Jeep turned into a towing vehicle. So how does it work? Okay.
Let me get it too.
Okay. Wow.